Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Postman alternative inside VS Code, which is actually an extension where you can test out REST APIs right in the VS Code without leaving it. So the name of the extension is Thunder Client. This is actually the extension. So just type in the extension tab Thunder Client. So it is having almost 5 million downloads. You will see that you can see 4.6 million downloads. The rating is also 412. So just install it by clicking the install button. So once you install this extension, you will see this appearing right here. If you click this, and you will actually see this option Thunder Client, or you can just press this shortcut Control Shift R and this panel will come. And here you can make a new request. So if you have a ready-made API that is available, if you want to test it, you will see this editor will open. On the left hand side you will enter your URL where your API is located. So you can just write the URL. So let's suppose if I enter the URL google.com, click make a send request, you will see on the right hand panel status 200 OK, size it will tell you 24 KB, the time took 250 millisecond, and it will return the HTML which is returned, headers, cookies, so all sort of information which Postman also supports. So it's a good alternative, free alternative. The main thing is that the extension is free, totally free, and this is really useful because in if you are coding, if you are making your REST APIs, so you don't need to open Postman in another window. You can do it right here from the VS Code. So let's suppose I take an example right here of JSON placeholder API, which is a fake REST API for developers for testing purposes. So let's suppose I take an example here which returns a JSON response. So this request that you make right here, it returning a JSON response. So what I can do, I can paste this request and make a get request here, click on send, and now you will see on the right hand corner we return this JSON response. We are successfully getting 200 status code OK. Similarly, we can even make a post request as well. So this JSON placeholder API also supports the post request. And for making the post request, we just need to submit. So what we will change right here after that, typo code slash post. And here from the, we will change it from get to post. And in the body section, here you need to provide the title and the body for the post. So we will provide the title. We will say this is the first post and put a comma, and the second property it takes is the body. So in this way you can provide the body here while you are making the post request. So we'll simply say this is the body of the, and here we can send this request and it is processing it, and now you will see the ready-made, the newly created post is returned to us with the title that we provided and the body, and the ID is automatically generated by JSON placeholder, and the status has been returned, which is 201, signifying that the record has been created. And you can just see. So in similar way you can even make put request, delete request, everything. So in this way you can make it. For the delete request, once again for this you do need to provide the ID parameter which post you want to delete. So if you now send this, it is processing it, 404 not found. So this post is not found. So you will see that the post is deleted now, and in this way you can make a delete request as well. So if you have authentication, you can provide the authorization token right here. If you have basic authentication bearer, here you can provide a token. So this is ready-made functionality. If you used Postman in the past, you will know everything which is available. This is Postman, which is an external software of making this REST API calls. So the interface is having the same functionalities You don't need Postman. You can easily do it inside VS Code using the simple extension. The name of the extension is Thunder Client. Just install it, and I showed you how to do this. It's very simple. Once you install it, you will be able to do this. And thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website freemediatools.com, which is a tool-based website which contains thousands of free tools. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will be seeing you in the next video.